Hey everybody, it's Robin from Roaming with Rover. Okay, today is the day that we are going to decide what we're going to watch on Thursday. I have 3 different suggestions that I know for sure I can access. So that's the criteria right now, is just can I even get to them? The first one is Klaus, Klause. And I believe that's a pretty familiar video. The next one is Christmas Chronicles. Now there's Christmas Chronicles 1 and 2, and that is the one with, oh, I can't think of any one of their names. You guys know who it is. Christmas Chronicles 1 and 2. So this one would be Christmas Chronicles 1. And likely if that's the one that gets chosen, we'll watch 2 the following week. And then the third one, I thought just for funsies, what would you guys be interested in watching something like one of the cooking shows that specialize in Christmas stuff? And specifically, I can access Nailed It, the Christmas edition. If you're not familiar with that, it's sort of like one of those, like when we try to recreate something we see on YouTube, but I think they are Pinterest type stuff. So they show them a design that is put out there, and it's like, okay, now you go make it, and it's whether they do a good job or not. So I know I can access one of those shows. So those are the 3 choices for this week. Klaus, Christmas Chronicles 1, or Nailed It, Christmas edition. How it's going to work for this week anyway is we will be watching the video through a Zoom call, a Zoom meeting, a Zoom show, through Zoom. We're going to use Zoom. Obviously YouTube did not work, and I did get a strike last week, and I'm on probation, so I have to be very, very careful with what I do on my lives. And so I will not be showing any of them on YouTube. We're hoping to end up on Discord, but as of right now, we cannot get that figured out. So we're just going to start with a Zoom. So please vote down below which of those 3 you would like, Klaus, Christmas Chronicles, or Nailed It, Christmas edition. And I'm also going to put on my community tab a poll, so you can go on there and vote as well. And then literally whichever one gets the most votes by Wednesday evening, because we're going to show the thing Thursday morning. Now on Thursday morning, excuse me, on Thursday morning, what I'll do is I'll go live and tell everybody what we're going to watch and put the link up for the Zoom. And so that'll be in the neighborhood of 9 o'clock. And then I think, if not, it'll either be a live or it will be a pre-recorded video. I think I don't know. We'll see. But either way, Thursday morning at 9 o'clock, the information will be available so that we can go to the Zoom and watch the movie. I was thinking Zoom because I don't know if I can put that link. I'm sure I won't be able to put that link into a YouTube video. So I can put the Zoom information into the community tab as well. So I'll probably be able to do that. So anyway, that's what we're doing today. Is we're going to vote on which show we want to watch. All right, we'll see you guys soon. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments down below. I'll do my best to answer it. This is all new for me too, so you're going to have to download Zoom if you don't already have it, and then I can send out the meeting link. All right, we'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.